The Meghalaya Trinamool Congress had organised a town hall in conversation with women in North Shillong constituency today, the 1st of December 2022, that was addressed by the Trinamool Congress Legislature party leader and also leader of the opposition, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma. Towards the end of the program, a host of womenfolk from different political parties were felicitated as they officially joined the AITC today. During the event, Meghalaya TMC leader James Lyngdoh and North Shillong block president from Meghalaya TMC, Elgiva Gwyneth Rynjah, were also present. The prerogative of the event was to honor the state's tradition of matrilineal heritage and to listen closely to women and their concerns. A large congregation of women from across the city, from all walks of life, came forward with their questions to which Dr. Mukul Sangma had offered his responses. While answering a very consequential question about the traffic in the Shillong city, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that the reality of traffic snarls needs to be understood first for a sustainable resolution.
The way that a public carrier, a transporter, a truck can carry, it goes beyond. And government pretends to be blind and deaf with complete sense of impunity. Now there is one part. Today we have the bypass. We call it as Eastern bypass. But we also need to understand that that particular bypass is not enough. So we have one Western bypass. We have identified the alignment of the road and we have approved that alignment of the road, which comes to that Maumi, then take the alignment to touch that Latmoreng comes beyond to Milling and then to connect with our Joy Shillong road. That means you will have an outer circular road for Shillong. So tourists coming to visit Sora will go from that bypass. They don't have to enter Shillong. Tourists going to Dauki, all those tourist axes, Molanong, they can take that bypass. But unfortunately, government of the day has wasted precious 5 years to allow these very important projects to take off. There is one part. You have to ensure that you are able to have an alternative road so that all the vehicles don't have to go through the city, congested city. Then another thing is that you talk about the educational institutions. If all the educational institutions are located in Shillong, the students have to come, not by choice, but out of compulsion to only Shillong. So you will have more school bus, you will have more private vehicle, all the students converging to this very city. That's precisely the reason why we wanted to say that, look, let us also establish schools of all levels, including school for higher education, outside the state capital and district capital. That is the reason why in Mauplang you have that initiative, that College of Science and Commerce. These are substantive testimony of our vision as to how we want to create a beautiful city where we don't have to engage in the agonies of the people that comes out of this unwanted experience because of traffic jam, traffic snarls.
To a question raised by a female member on women's inclusion in the political scenario of Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that it is crucial for women to involve themselves in the democratic system where, like the party leader Mamta Banerjee, they too have the potential to fare way better than men even in electoral battles.
When we look at the system and how the system has not live up to the kind of expectations in sync with the hopes and aspirations of our people and is not seen as capable of generating that kind of hopes and aspirations to further set a higher benchmark in respect of their own respective aspirations, then what happens? People will slowly think that, okay, it's not good enough. So in a given system of our democracy, there is no reason why we should lose hope. If you want to create that avenues, let us really take advantage of this opportunity which is provided. You are seeing what's happening. Now it is our job to understand the magnitude of opportunities that is available for us to do and embark upon something extraordinary. The honors of responsibility, to be ready, to have that will, to have that desire, the drive. To be in public life. It's tough. You will need the support from the family, you'll need support from everyone, but once you have the will, I'm sure there's no stopping. Therefore, this kind of interaction will precisely generate that kind of enthusiasm and the resolve from amongst the young ones. So mothers and sisters, please take it as an opportune moment to talk to young ones, motivate them, inspire them to look at this particular crucial, important area which is so crucial in determining the future of the state, future of our people.